Class 7, I hope you are doing well in your home. So now I am going to start a revision video for you. You have your P2 exam, it is coming soon. So I thought to jot down all the points. Today I am going to share with you the revision video of the chapter soil. What are the points you have learned, because this chapter has been done long ago. So I want to share the points that you should prepare for the exam. Okay. So what is there in the chapter? The first point is formation of soil. How the soil is going to form. That is known as weathering of rocks. So you should know the definition of weathering of rocks. Next, what are the agents of weathering? Agents of weathering, and they are not only their name, in detail which agent play what kind of role in the formation of soil, that you have to learn in detail. I have written agents of weathering and their role in the soil formation. That means, how does water help in the formation of soil? How does plant root help in the formation of soil? So these are the things that you have to learn. Third is soil profile. Detailed video regarding soil profile has been sent to you earlier. That is, only soil profile in detail has been explained. Mainly soil profile, it is made up of these three layers: A horizon, B horizon and C horizon. You should know that A horizon consists of what components, B horizon consists of what components, and C horizon consists of what component. And what is actually soil profile? That should be in your fingertips. Next is types of soil on the basis of relative proportion of rock particles. Here, kind of rock particles, that is clay particles, sand particles, about these you have to learn. And according to that, the soil can be divided into three types: clayey soil, loamy soil and sandy soil. How they are divided into these three types of soil, what are the sizes of the particles, especially these things you have to be remembered very well. It should be very clear to you about the size of the particles of each kind. And they are divided into three types, you know. So what is the comparison of the three types of soil in their properties, that also you have to learn. Next is properties of the soil. Properties of the soil, there are three main properties: percolation rate of water. According to that, three kind of soil can be divided in what way, what are their properties, how we can compare them. Moisture content in different kind of soil and absorption of water by different kind of soil. These things you have learned earlier also, so nothing new. Just once go through the book, or once again you go through the previous video, it will help you to understand. It is very less marks question, so definitely you don't have to think too much, but you should read everything. If you are going to inculcate the habit of reading from the book, from the inside the chapter, it will help you to gain good marks in higher classes later on. Okay. Next is soil and crops. That is, which kind of soil is better for which kind of crops, with example. Next point, soil erosion. What is soil erosion? These portions are new. Previous portions you have done earlier. So these are much more important portions. That is soil erosion. What is soil erosion? How does it occurs? What are the causes of soil erosion? Why it occurs? Which factors are responsible for erosion of soil? Actually, what is erosion? It is the wasting away of the upper layer of the soil by different agents. Prevention of soil erosion. How can we prevent the soil erosion? Because soil erosion is going to make the land infertile. We are not going to get proper amount of crops. Due to soil erosion, there can be flood. Due to soil erosion, we may face various kinds of problems. So we have to stop soil erosion. So to prevent soil erosion, what steps we have to follow? These are the steps. By planting more trees and grass, by step farming, by constructing dams and by preventing overgrazing. And these points in detail also you have to learn that how does these points help to prevent soil erosion. So these are the points I have written here. I have jotted it down for you. You elaborate these points and try to read properly. It will help you to gain good marks in your exam. So this is the revision video I made on the topic soil. My next video will be revision video on the topic water. So please go through the video and you are supposed to get very good marks. So best of luck to all of you. Thank you very much.